Good morning, guys. Today is 16th of Jan. Currently, it's 9:21. You can see clearly that if price faced rejection from here, I expect it to trade towards the close of this level. But what happened is that the market formed a bullish engulfing pattern, took support from the moving average, and trying to head higher. So in this case, if the market doesn't face rejection from the VWAP level, I will definitely trade long position as long as it doesn't cross this level, as long as it doesn't cross this level. So I would like to enter long position on this bearish engulfing candle. We'll wait for any retracement, guys. If you find any retracement, we'll all the way try to target this high as well. Target this high. So after this bullish momentum, I want to expect three candles, three bullish candles. What about Nifty? Bank Nifty is that you can see clearly the price retraced back, found a kind of trend line liquidity over here, and found took support from the VWAP level. This is dodgy candle, and you could have entered your long position here, keeping your stop loss just below and targeting this swing high structure as well. This swing high, or you could have tried all the way till here as well. Let's wait and watch, guys. So this is my Bank Nifty trade, and my Nifty is that okay. I wanted another bullish candle, guys, to be formed, but here bearish candle formed. I expected another bullish candle like this and further retracement. Let's see, guys, if price faces rejection from here. Definitely, I'm gonna take a long position. Or see, you can see after this breakout, they found a bearish engulfing pattern. And if price breaks this low, I would definitely take short position. If it breaks this low, or if it faces a rejection from this 9 moving average or the 21 moving average, I would go long. Let's wait and watch, guys. I think patience is the key here. See, clearly you can see that the market is clearly bullish because in Nifty, you can see the price taking will take support from the 9 as well as R1 level as well as the pivot level. If you see any rejection from here, guys, you can definitely go long over here. I just want to see rejection over here, guys. So it's clearly bullish position over here. See, I'm keeping your stop loss just below here. You can actually target high. See if here it doesn't cross this VWAP level on the put side. The market is clearly bullish, guys. So see, you can see rejection, a clear rejection indicating that the market is bullish. You can actually enter long position, keeping your stop loss just below this pip and targeting the high of this, or you can target this high as well. Buy position at 25. Okay, it was at 28. I would have taken my trade on retracement. I don't know whether my order got triggered or I placed it at 26. Now it's like 28. Let's wait and watch, guys. If my order gets triggered at 26, I would definitely go long. This was the best entry, guys, for someone who expecting the market to go higher. My trade entry was at 26. So if it gets triggered, 26.15. Yeah, the market triggered, guys. And I would like to place my stop loss just below this 5 points of stop loss, guys. I want to see a bullish momentum towards the upside, guys. Currently, it's around 200 profit. So I'm expecting it to go higher from here on. You can see clearly. Always trade in the direction of trend, guys. You can see rejection from VWAP on towards the put side. And here you can see that if the market breaks this level, it would definitely be very bullish over here. So let's look at spot chart, guys. Looking at premiums makes me very tensed. So my stop loss is just below this, guys. If any candle closes below this level, I would exit my position. I want to see some bullish candles forming over here. Expecting the market to go higher. You can see solid bullish candles happening. Currently 28. You can see clearly that market consolidated between the 9 as well as the 21 moving average. This zone of consolidation and again rejection of price from the VWAP, the 9 moving average. And this is a win-win situation, guys. Clearly, this trade is gonna win. Is facing some kind of rejection, taking support from VWAP. So if it closes below this VWAP, it's better to exit also. This candle should be bullish candle, guys. If it's bearish, it should cross in on this high also. Only then it clearly signifies that the market is bullish. Clear break of this high. Let's see this high to be broken by this candle. Come on, guys. Went all the way here. Let's look on. Okay. See, guys, its market is breaking. You can see a profit of 1,500 right now. You see a very good retracement over here. You can trial your stop loss to break even. So you can sell your position at around 26. Well, let it be at 27. The market is, I think, retracing. I want to see further continue buying pressure, guys, here. It's facing some kind of rejection. I want to see clear break of this wave up level over here. You can also see trend and liquidity. This kind of liquidity, there are high chances that the market might go even bearish. It shouldn't cross this VWAP level, guys. Then it clearly signifies that the market is bearish. You can see clearly now I'm cost to cost. I see clear bullish momentum happening towards upside. Look at this, guys. Rejection from 9 as well as the 21, the VWAP level. You can enter your long position here as well, looking at this rejection, expecting the market to go higher. And you can see this good, very good retracement, guys. This is really a good retracement towards the 9 moving average as well as the 21 moving average, as well as the VWAP level, clearly signifying that the market is bullish. And another confluence are the 200 moving average. We are in direction of 200 moving average towards the upside. And you can see clear rainbow kind of pattern over here and taking support from the 9 moving average. And what all confluence you need, guys, to take this trade. Clearly, you can see the market is heading higher. Currently, I'm in a profit of 2,400. Let's hold on to this, guys. So now I can trial my stop loss to 27 to at least break even, guys. So 20, because if you try to place stop loss here, it will get easily triggered, guys. That's why it's very difficult for me to place stop loss. It shouldn't cross this level, guys. This 29. I don't think after this bullish break of candle, if it crosses below the 29 level, I want to see clear upward movement from now on. I'm targeting a high of 60. So it's double, guys. 31 is what I'm expecting. Another good retracement. The market is though bullish, but here you can see the market is consolidating down sideways. It's better to exit your position, guys, if you are risk to reward. Market. Don't know what should I. If it crosses this VWAP level, it's better to exit, guys. But if it's finding support, it's better to hold on to the trade. I want to see this bullish momentum towards the upside, guys. See, clearly the market is bullish only. You can see clearly here that after this bullish candle, the price took support from the here. So if there are high chances if that market closed below this level, this is just a manipulation for this trend line liquidity. Or if the market is really bullish, it will continue further buying pressure over here. So I'm expecting here, if it closes below this level, to exit my position and to hold on to my position, breaking this high as well. Clear consolidation of price. So it came all the way back to my initial. Look at this, guys. I've seen a profit of around 2000 here, but currently, again, it retraced back. This is what manipulation is, guys. Nifty on expiry days, that's why many people lose money because of this manipulation only. Because there is a lot of manipulation. So if I would have placed my stop loss to 27, I would have lost money or I would have exited cost to cost. So I'm seeing this VWAP level, guys. If it crosses this VWAP level, this retracement is, you can see clearly it's within this bullish candle only, guys. And there is no proper engulfing pattern over here. So it clearly signifies that the market is bullish only. But looking at premium charts, there is no good premium move over here. It's very difficult to hold on to your position at this moment. But I'll exit my position, guys. You can see clearly the market broke the structure down. A very good profit of around 2000, guys. See clearly the market is bearish only. After this candle, I would have expected another bullish candle towards the upside. But what happened here is that it broke towards the downside. So if the price doesn't take support from here, look at this, guys. Went all the way till 28. This was a very good trade, guys. But the high chances that the market might go all the way low here. I thought of exiting at not getting. These buyers who might have entered the market here might have exited their positions because looking at this candle, this is a clear manipulation candle. Market order. So I'll exit my position, guys. It's better to exit your position. I booked a profit of loss of around 800. Here you can see clearly break of VWAP level over here and this trend line liquidity also. Clearly breaking structure towards the downside and the high chance of the market is going to be bearish. Looking at I exited at 24 point. Here I exited my position. I should have exited my position looking at this candle, guys. The last sell-off candle kind of thing. This is the last sell-off candle, and this is usually the last end of candle is usually a manipulation candle. And if you see the price even didn't cross the fib, the mid of this candle as well. So this was just a manipulation candle, guys. If this buying pressure would have led to further buying, only then we could have been bullish. But here, what happened is that it was just another manipulation. Good evening, guys. You can see currently it's 4:30. The market has closed. You can see I have entered my long position here in my previous trade, which I have taken in morning, expecting the market to go higher after seeing this support from VWAP. But what happened is that after this bullish candle, it reached the mid of this bearish candle, first bearish candle, and it couldn't cross any further. This is the mid, guys. It is the mid of the first candle. And you can see after that, the price clearly head bearish. This is the final sell-off candle, guys, as I have previously told in my videos. that you can see this kind of manipulation every time. I can show you the sell-off candles in many other charts as well. As you might have seen in my previous video, you can see liquidity over here, trendline liquidity. These both are trendline liquidity, guys. You can see after this break of structure, the market tried to retrace upwards, but this retracement was confined to common the common point between this and the common point between this. This price was retraced confined to just a 0.38 level, 0.38 level, and you can see the market after that broke structure towards the downside. And if you try to plot the fib extinction levels here, common point and the common point, you can see the market head to this zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.6 zone. Usually when the market take reversal positions from here, this is a zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.6 zone. There are high chances that the market, when it needs to reverse, it will take support from this 0.5, 0.6 zone, or in resistance as well, in case if the market is trending upwards. But even this is one confluence, guys. Another confluence is that look at this blue color line. Here you can see the price clearly after this bearish breakdown by sellers couldn't continue further selling, as this 200 moving average in 1 minute time frame formed clear support over here. And you can see this pivot, guys. This is today's pivot level, and you can see clearly that the market couldn't cross the pivot level. After this rejection of price and the price consolidated at the pivot level, you can see upward move from here on. And you can see clearly the market broke this structure, forming a clear chalk over here. And if you try to draw the fib retracement level, the common point between this and this, you can see clearly that the market took support from the FA 50 level. This is the FA 50. And if you try to plot the anchor VWAP level from this low, you can clearly see this is anchor VWAP. Price took support from the FIB 50 as well as the anchor VWAP level, as it couldn't cross the anchor VWAP level. And if you try to cut this is just for confluence, guys. And if you try to draw the fib extension level from here, the common point between this and the common point between this, you can clearly target the 100% level. This is what is expected, or the midway. This is 100% level is the usual level, or you could have targeted this swing high structure or this swing high structure. Anything would have worked in your favor, guys. You can see this is just a manipulation after the price multiple rejections from the downside, and it continued further seller upward move. But here you can see the last bullish candle, as here you can see the last sell-off candle. After this last bullish candle, the buyers couldn't hold the market, and suddenly the market retraced back. This is 1.68 level, where you could have targeted your profit. This after this break of out of candle, you could break off structure of this candle. You could have exited your position over here. This is one good setup, guys, where you could have entered here, keeping your stop loss just below or this 200 moving average, and you could have targeted all the way till here. And after this candle, you can see the price retraced backwards. But if you try to see the premium moves over here, you can see this is one swing low, this is one swing low, where it broke structure to the upside, as this is chalk, and it took support from the 50 level. But here in premium chart, you can see the market forming equal levels here. This is the same swing structure here. This is the same swing structure over here. But here you can see the same downward move and the retracement. where it faced rejection from the 200 moving average as well as the 100 moving average. And here, the 100 moving average rejection of price. This clearly signifies that the market is bearish if the price is getting rejected. And here, there is a clear demand forming here. And on this retracement of this 50 level, you could have easily entered the trade, keeping your stop loss just below this low, and you could have targeted this high or this high. And it's a clear win situation, 33 to 74. You could have easily doubled your capital in this trade. This is one trade where you could have taken. And what happened here is that after this bullish momentum candle, the buyers were not able to hold price. You can see clearly the market broke, and this retracement towards the upside, you can see there was no premium move, there was no bullishness move, but you can see clearly from this low to this low, there is RSI divergence. From this low to this low, there is RSI divergence, and from this high, this clearly shows that the market is bearish, guys. You can see clearly huge premium momentum loss here. Clearly, after this bullish momentum, the momentum over here has reduced, and here also it has reduced. But here it formed lower low, but here it didn't form the higher high structure. But even in this, it formed lower low. But look at RSI divergence, price trying to take support from this level. If you would have been very vigilant about clearly looking at market and predicting market directions, I think this is also one of the good setup, guys, for you to take long position, keeping a stop loss just below this pip and targeting this high or this level. This is quite unexpected, but in case if you would have seen this divergence over here and keeping your stop loss just below 1 or 2 points below this, or if you have seen other premium charts, but here you can see the overload didn't form. Um, you could have seen this momentum. After that, this consolidation of price over here. Here, at least, you can see after this bearish breakdown, this last up candle facing rejection from the 9 as well as 21 moving average, or this bearish candle breaking both the 9 as well as the 21 moving average towards the downside. You could have taken a long position over here also. I think this is quite unexpected, guys. There are very low chances that someone might have taken exactly at here, but I was quite confident of this trade. So I guess someone who has experience in market could have easily entered this position here, keeping your stop loss here and targeting this low. This is what you could have targeted. And another confluence for you to take this trade is the trendline liquidity, guys. Look at this. Easily the clear trendline liquidity over here. You can see price taking multiple supports at this trend line, and this bearish candle broke this trend line liquidity, clearly signifying that the market is bearish. And after that, this retracement towards the upside, where the market couldn't cross the 9 as well as the 21 moving average, is another confluence for you to take long position over here. This is one good setup, guys, on Nifty, where you could have easily entered the trade. And after this price took support wave, uh, from the pivot level, where here it has taken the same support over here. And here you can see the trend and liquidity. This is a bullish liquidity, guys. Here you can see one liquidity. Here also there is some kind of bullish liquidity. Here you can see bullish liquidity. Here you can see bullish liquidity. You can see this chalk formation, consolidation, break of structure, consolidation, break of structure, consolidation. Whenever there is certain break of structure and price consolidating, it's a clear significance that the market is clearly bullish. But as today's premium Nifty expiry, let's look at the premium charts, guys. Here you can see this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity, and this liquidity also. And there was not much premium move where I would have expected. But here you can see this bearish breakdown of this candle where the price rallied upwards and it couldn't sustain above the 200 moving average. Here you can see that this 200 moving average twice acted as resistance where the price buyers couldn't, the put side uh, buyers couldn't hold the price as they couldn't push the market further and it consolidated over here and this consolidation and further this break of structure towards the downside. You can see looking at this consolidation, guys, it is a clear sign of bullishness after this bullish move. You could have easily entered your long position here, the fib of this zone, and you could have easily taken here, entered your position long, keeping your stop loss just below this bullish candle. Or in case if you're selling, guys, you could have easily sold from here, keeping your stop loss just below the 200 moving average, seeing this bearish consolidation. After this bearish breakdown, if the price consolidates in this pattern, it's a clear sign that the market is bearish. You can see this trend channel type of consolidation. It's clearly bearish, guys. And I would have easily taken this position long when you see this consolidation, keeping your stop loss just below this pip or here, and you could have targeted this high or this order block as well, or this swing structure high as well. This is another trade where you could have easily entered, and you could have even entered this short position also, where the price couldn't cross the 21 moving average, 0.38 moving average, expecting this swing low as well. This is one structure. Usually, I thought of entering here itself after seeing this break of this candle, this bearish candle. I exited my position and I would have taken short position here, which would have fetched me a good or a decent amount of profit. But but it's fine, guys. Now looking at Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you can see this is the day's VWAP level. And I told you could have taken long position over here, but you can see multiple times after this bullish momentum, price consolidated, price consolidated back, formed a clear chop, and this is the order block. This is there is no proper resistance over here, guys. This is just to target all those buyers who have entered the market, seen this bullish candle, because there is no much liquidity in Bank Nifty. So this is just for manipulation, guys, because even here you can see the common point. There is no proper resistance over here. There is a kind of resistance over here, guys. Last up move before the down move. You can see clearly this up move, and you can see the final sell-off candle, guys. This bullish candle, it couldn't cross the 200 moving average and it broke structure towards the downside. As I mentioned, this candle in previous videos, the same candle, you can see clearly that the market faced resistance over here, and you can clearly see the price couldn't cross this level and retest back towards this structure forming chalk. But what happened here is that after price consolidated, you can see the market trying to push above this structure. But what happened is that the market gapped up, guys, and it is trading above the mid of the first candle range. This is the first candle, and it is trading above the first candle. And if you try to plot even the 5 minute range of the first candle, let's you can clearly see it's even trading the 5 minute range of the first candle. This is the 5 minute zone of the first candle, And you can see clearly this is the mid of the first candle, and you can see internal breakout structure towards the upside. But you can see another clear trend line liquidity over here as price taking multiple supports over here, and this bearish breakdown of this candle towards the downside. You can see another stock formation, and you can see after this the price took support again from this zone and it retraced upwards, and this consolidation of price where you can see clear bullishness as the price consolidated here. You can see the clear trend line liquidity over here, and you can see multiple bullish candle over here. This one bullish candle consolidating to downward, and another followed by another bullish candle. These two consolidation followed by another bullish candle. This is a clear sign of bullishness, guys. This is always a clear sign of bullishness where after significant selling, buyers will try to push the market towards the upside. You could have entered seeing this consolidation, keeping your stop loss just below this bit and targeted towards the high, guys. Seeing this consolidation, you could have targeted this high. You could have targeted this high. Actually, I expected the market to go higher from this level, but it didn't work out because of this order block. And after this break of structure towards the upside, you can see clearly this demand there was expected. And if you try to plot the fib level, you can see this is the fib level of this chalk and fib level of this chalk. And you can see after this, if you try to plot the anchor way up level from this low, you can see anchor way up from this low as well. You can see price to taking support over here. But in meantime, let's see um, if you this swing low, this is a swing low. See, you can see clearly there was multiple rejections and placing anchor VWAP also. You can see the market trying to go down, but rejection of price from the lower side, telling that the market is clearly bullish from here. And you can find another trend line liquidity over here, which it broke structure towards the upside. And you could have entered long position here, guys, expecting the market to break this structure or even reach all the way to this high, this swing high structure, this swing high. You could have just tried your stop loss, keeping your stop loss just below this pip and targeting this high. This is another best confluence trade, guys, where you could have easily targeted. And after this bullish candle, the market retraced again. It clearly formed another trendline liquidity. After this bearishness, you can see clearly the market broke this structure towards the downside. But this consolidation clearly signifies that the market is bearish. And if you try to plot the anchor VWAP level here, it see price couldn't face resistance over here and couldn't cross the anchor VWAP level. And clearly, after this bearish breakdown of structure, market rallied. This is kind of consolidation. But what we need to see is that here you can see clearly after this clear bullish momentum candle, uh, the price another found another trend line liquidity over here. There is one trend line liquidity. It broke structure towards the downside. And here you can see clearly this VWAP level from this support zone trying now broken towards upside and again continuously after that broken towards the downside, and this retracement you can see clearly is a bearishness, guys. This kind of consolidation is clearly bearish. But as soon as you see this break of this candle towards the downside, you could have easily exited, entered short position also. It's very difficult at this time to trade. This was just a manipulation. You could have targeted all the way to this swing low or this swing low or this swing low as well. All your targets would have been hit. And price again took support from the mid of the first candle and again rallied upwards. I think today, I guess this was good confluence, guys. But I told you in Nifty also this was quite unexpected. But keeping your stop loss tight and trailing your stop loss, you could have easily traded this short position as well, where you could have seeing this support from here and trying to break this support zone, this year support zone, again trying to break towards upside, again it broke towards the downside. This is just a manipulation. After this manipulation, you can see this consolidation. This is kind of bullish consolidation, but after this bullish consolidation, price couldn't cross the moving average, guys. You can see clearly that 100 moving average, the 21, the 9 moving average, and this is kind of bullishness where you can expect the market to go higher. But after seeing this bearish engulfing candle, you could have entered your position here, keeping your stop loss just above this candle or above this way up and targeting this low or this low because there is no clear order box over here. And you could have targeted till this swing low also, guys, this swing low. This is one good setup. And this is as the market is clearly bullish, it took support from the mid of the first candle and it rallied upwards. This is today's trade, guys. I hope you get how I trade. And for tomorrow, I am telling you that the market might gap down here. If the market is really bullish, it might gap up above this high. Clearly, as you can see, clearly the market gapped up today, another 200 points. There high chance that the market might gap up today if the market is bullish, or else it might target those buyers, guys, who might have entered the market here, here, here. And again, it might continue further buying pressure. But high chances are that the market tomorrow will gap up again once more and it will head higher only, guys. This is what my prediction of tomorrow. I hope you like, share, and comment, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.